Bybit's USDT Perpetual contract is a derivatives product quoted and settled in USDT. Contract margins and account profit and loss are calculated using USDT. Here's a complete introduction to USDT Perpetual contracts on Bybit. First, let's have a look at USDT contract trading page. Before trading, you'll need to go to My Assets to deposit USDT, or use the currency exchange function to convert other coins into USDT. Each module of Bybit trading interface is briefly introduced below. On the left is the price chart, where you can see the historical price of a trading pair. The middle area is Bybit's order book and recent trades information. The latest transaction records of the exchange can be seen in real time under recent trades. The order zone is on the right of the trading page. You can open and close positions here. The column below the chart is the user's position tab. After placing an order, you can see the open position, closed profit and loss, active orders, order history, and other information on the position tab. The contract details are at the bottom right. You may get additional information by clicking More. We'll now take a look at how to place orders. Bybit offers two different margin modes, cross margin and isolated margin. In the cross margin mode, all available USDT balances in the wallet can be used as a position margin. In the isolated margin mode, according to the selected leverage, only part of the balance will be used as the position margin. Cross margin mode and isolated margin mode are interchangeable. You're not permitted to switch your position to isolated margin mode when holding hedged positions in cross margin mode. Bybit also provides the hedging function, which means you can hold both long and short positions at the same time. Under the isolated margin mode, you can set different leverages for long and short positions. Taking the BTC-USDT trading pair as an example, the maximum leverage is 100 and the minimum leverage is 1. Click on Confirm and the leverage will be changed. When opening a position, first you need to choose the direction of the order, buy long or sell short. Next, select the order type. Bybit provides three types of orders, namely market order, limit order, and conditional order. Using limit orders as an example. After selecting the limit order, enter the order price and quantity. When entering the order price, you may modify the price with just one click. When entering the contract quantity, you may enter it manually or select using the percentage button below. In the order zone, you can also set the take profit and stop loss for the order. Click on the take profit or stop loss button. Enter the target prices in the price column on the right, or click the percentage button below. Trigger conditions for take profit and stop loss can be set to last traded price, index price, or mark price. Bybit also supports post-only orders. This is to ensure traders earn maker rebates by providing liquidity, but not getting matched immediately with any existing orders in the order book. When you click on Buy Long, the order will be either filled immediately or pending execution in the order book. You can view the details of all unfilled orders under the Active Order tab. For existing positions, you can click Close Position in the order zone, select the direction price and quantity of the order and then submit. Under the cross margin mode, the user's unrealized profit can be withdrawn, used to open additional positions, or converted to other coin types to maximize capital utilization. Bybit provides a variety of one-click trading tools. In the chart area, there's a drag-and-drop quick order placing tool, which will synchronize the best bid-ask price in real time. By entering the order quantity on the right and clicking on the Buy Long or Sell Short button, the order will be submitted immediately as a market order. This allows you to have a fast entry during a volatile market. After submission of a market order, you can view the corresponding position in the Position tab. Under the Position tab, you may see active orders, conditional orders, order history, and other information. Click on Positions to view current open exposure such as quantity, entry price, estimated liquidation price, and initial margin, etc. In the isolated margin mode, you can append more margin to an existing position. When margin is adjusted, the liquidation price will change as the margin increases or decreases. The initial leverage of the position will not change. Also, you may enable the auto margin replenishment function. The position margin will be replenished automatically to prevent your position from being liquidated. In the Position tab, you can set the take profit and stop loss price directly. Close by market or limit function can also be used to close the position here. Click onto Close by Market and enter the quantity. The position will be closed at the market price. Click on Close by Limit. Enter the price and quantity. A limit order will be submitted to close the position. In the chart area, you may use the one-click button to close or reverse the existing positions. Click onto the Quick Close button. All positions with the same direction will be closed at market price. Clicking onto the Quick Reverse button, it will close the existing position at the market price and submit an inverse trade using market order with the same amount. The above is a walkthrough on Bybit's USDT Perpetual contract. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit www.bybit.com.